And even before Diwali, the air quality in Delhi has worsened as it has entered the very poor category already. And this has happened for the first time this season. The overall air quality index was recorded above 300 mark in the very poor category in many parts of Delhi. According to the Central Pollution Control Board Air Quality Forecast Agency, SAFAR has said that stubble burning accounted for 6% of the PM 2.5 pollution in Delhi, blaming local pollution factors. Neighbouring cities also recorded very poor air quality. Faridabad showed 306, Ghaziabad at 334, Noida at 303. NAQI between 0 and 50 is considered good, 51 and 100 satisfactory, 101 and 200 moderate, 201 between 201 and 300 poor, between 301 and 400 very poor, and 401 and 500 severe. Mohit Sharma is getting us the very latest on that from the national capital. Mohit, you know, it's the same story year after year. Just close to Diwali, the air quality worsens, and this time of the year particularly has additional factors also like stubble burning, for example. What is the Delhi government saying about what it can do from its own end, given that conversations with states about stubble burning, a lot of back and forth has happened on that already, isn't it? What is the Delhi government now going to do?
Well, absolutely. You know, it seems that the various governments, whether we talk about Delhi government specifically or about the centre government, all have been, trying to ensure that the pollution levels can be, brought down in a sense to speak. And the Delhi government has been trying to promote not just various other alternatives in terms of stubble burning, but at the same time, they've been also urging people to not burst crackers this time around. They've also ensured to, start a new campaign of red light on and gadi off. Of course, these are just some of the mechanisms which the government is focusing on in order to ensure that the usual pollution levels which we see around Diwali can be somehow reduced. But, it seems that the environmentalists have completely termed these as a knee-jerk or rather band-aid responses. They've gone on to say that, while on one hand you have, the state governments not doing much about the pollution throughout the year, it's only during the winters that we have such knee-jerk responses coming into the fray. That's something that the environmentalists have said. However, they've also urged the state government and the centre government to bring about a 365-day plan, or rather a 5-year plan as well, in order to combat these pollution situation in a much more efficient manner. Pollution is not something that we've just witnessed, this time around or in the past couple of years. It has been gradually increasing. We've seen the elderly, we've seen the children, we've seen the pregnant women, all of them gasping for air during this time of the year. Now, we are currently standing right outside the meteorological department, and clearly what has been on the expected front is the deterioration of air quality index. SAFAR has already said that in the coming days, in the next 2 days rather, it would be in very poor or in severe quality of air is something that has already been predicted by the agencies. Clearly an indicative that how people should ready themselves for a bad breath of air which is going to be coming their way. And clearly, the state government and the centre government has their job very clearly cut out for themselves. They need to do something about the air quality, and they need to do something right now.
All right, Mo, thanks for getting up to speed with that. Imagine the air quality already in Delhi is in the very poor category. This is the day before Diwali, where you can hardly hear firecrackers. Imagine the situation tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, when there would be many people, in fact, bursting crackers.